Hey everybody, today I have a review for you of the Lefant M3 robot vacuum cleaner and mop, which offers some really nice features and functionality in a convenient automatic package at a very competitive price. So I've tested a lot of vacuum cleaners and mops, but this is my first robot vacuum cleaner and mop all-in-one device, and I was really excited to test it out. Setup was very easy. It has a detailed quick start guide that walks you through everything, and it comes with everything you need, including a couple of brush heads, several mop heads, instructions, an extra filter, an extra dust bag, and some cleaner. You just snap on the mop heads and the brush, and that's basically it. Then you plug in the base and set the robot inside it, and you're good to go to connect it to the app, which does work well. You can use it to update its firmware, adjust its settings, and of course start the cleaning. Now, before you start using it, you'll want to fill up its clean water tank, which sits on top of the base, and that's very easy to do. Once you've done that, the first time you run it, it will go around the perimeter of your rooms to make a map of your home. Once it creates the map, in the app you can adjust different rooms and set up no-go zones if you'd like, and you're good to go. Once you start the cleaning in the app, it leaves the base station and gets its environment. It does have audible status updates, so that's good. And then it just starts cleaning. The brush in the front brings in debris to be sucked up, and the mop heads in the back mop the floor for you. It does have advanced LiDAR navigation, so you can see here it doesn't run into the table leg. I do really like that feature. I've used robot vacuums in the past that basically run into things, and that's how they know how to get around, but that's obviously not ideal if you have things that could be moved or potentially damaged. But yeah, the Lefant M3 will just navigate itself all around the house and clean automatically. Here you can see the floor after it goes by. You can see it's damp, so it's definitely working. It has the ability to go over thresholds and small changes in the flooring too, like this litter box mat, which is good. That way it can go between all the rooms in your home on each floor. Some other robot vacuums just kind of bump into them and don't go over them. It's also pretty compact, allowing it to go under things like this corner shelving unit, under your bed, couch, table, that sort of thing. Here it is cleaning around the perimeter of this room, and it does a great job following along the fireplace and the wall. Now, when it comes to the actual cleaning, it does do a good job with animal hair and debris. It just sucks it right up, even a big clump like this. Here I'll show you how it handles liquids too. Obviously the brush is going to go through it, but then it runs it over. And it mops using its mop heads. And it did a decent job there. I will say this is more of a maintenance home cleaning device. It's not going to be the best for a really deep clean, but if you run it every day or every few days, it can do a really good job keeping dust and debris and animal hair off of your floors. It's very handy if you're someone like me with a lot of pets that can cause the floors to be covered in hair. And it does have anti-tangle technology, which again is good if you're a pet owner. One thing that's really nice too is that it can work with a variety of floors, not just hard floors. The mop heads actually can raise themselves 9 millimeters, allowing them to go over carpet and rugs. That's a pretty handy feature considering most people that have hard floors also do have rugs and carpet somewhere in their house. Now once it's done, it automatically returns to its base station and empties itself. It automatically washes the mops with hot water and then dries them. And it's got a decent sized dust bag that can hold enough debris for nearly 2 months of average use. And you just empty the dirty water tank when it gets full and you're good to go. The bottom inside the base is also detachable for easy cleaning if that gets dirty as well, which is nice. But yeah, once it's back on the base, it automatically recharges itself and it's all ready for next time. You can go ahead and set up automatic schedules in the app too, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to run it. So yeah, overall, I like it. I think it's a great device that you can basically set it up and kind of forget about it while it does its cleaning for you. And one of the best things about it too also is its price. Typically it's $700, but they run different sales throughout the year. And right now for Black Friday, it's on sale all the way down to $299. That's a crazy good deal for a robot vacuum and mop all-in-one device that has the features and functionality that this does. And it's rated pretty well too. Currently on Amazon, it's rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with over 3,000 reviews, with the majority of the ratings being 5 stars. According to Amazon's AI overview of reviews, customers find it cleans well and is worth the price. It mentions battery life has mixed feedback with some happy and others not. I've personally had no issues with battery life, with it getting around 90 minutes or so of use in its powerful setting for the vacuum, and the mop, which is one below its maximum setting of super powerful mode. But yeah, overall, I'm very pleased with it, and I think it is worth the money. It can really do a great job keeping up with dust, animal hair, and light debris. Let me know what you guys think, though, and let me know if you have any questions about the Lefant M3. And as always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.